If you've got an iPhone 16 and you want to scan a QR code to make payments, connect to Wi-Fi, open a website or link, it's quite easy, especially after the iOS 18 update. So let's go ahead and see how you can do that. To scan the QR code, swipe down corner panel and simply tap on this QR code option over any readable QR code. You'll be automatically redirected to the website or that virtual space. And if you can't find this option, simply tap on this plus sign to add a control and then search by scan code. When you find it, simply tap on it to add it to your control center, and that's it. Now, if you're an old school and you like to scan a QR code with your camera, but you can't find the QR code option when you hold down the code under your camera, for that, let's go open up settings, go to camera, scroll down, and make sure scan QR codes option is selected. Now, you can now easily scan any QR code with your camera as well. And depending on the QR code you are scanning, if prompted, just tap on this yellow button so that it can redirect yourself to your desired space. And that's pretty much how you can use QR code on your iPhone 16. Thanks for watching.